Okay, marketing, this is just a real quick video to help you get set up so that you can start today's assignment in what we're going to be doing for the next few weeks. So what I want you guys to do is to go ahead and Google Knowledge Matters. You're going to go ahead and click on Knowledge Matters, and I've already got an account, so I'm going to go up here and I am just going to choose virtual businesses, and you guys will need to create an account, so I'm going to just sign in. Okay, and you guys are going to choose Marketing 2021, and you're going to need this course key VZ, and it's case sensitive 3HY8. You're going to need, this is the class that you want. And then once you've done that, it should get you into something that looks like this. And yours is going to be a little different. You probably aren't going to have this over here, but you'll have this right here. And I will unlock assignments as we go. And I will say I'm going to add some text. You're going to have some minimum scores that you have to meet. So if you don't meet that minimum score, you'll have to retake the reading quiz or the math quiz, or potentially redo the simulation. All right. But anyway, so there's your course key VZ3HY8 to get into this.